just going.
You think? A little bit around the sides?
Yeah, it's that This is a different kind of tree.
Well, what do you
That's okay. It is a little tree, I must say.
No, this is too short. It's going to be shorter when you take off the bottom. Gather forward,
I do like that one though.
You want 3 or 4 more inches.
This is really hard.
I know, it's the worst.
Oh my god.
We'll forever be known as that.
Never said it.
Oh, you stood up for him.
I know, I don't like it. All right.
Oh, right, another tree boy.
The country.
Local boy, Mexican.
Yay!
Hey, Ty, get back there.
Oh, I
Broke the antenna.
yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, there's a big old tree in the corner. Yay! Tree, it's all happening.
Crystal ball.
I'll use it as a decoration so you can steal it. Watch. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I know. Why'd you do all this stuff?
No, that's just the way it is.
It's the tunnel ornament.